Hello students, welcome to my channel Study Mantra. I am Kalpana Gorde. Today we learn 10th Mathematics Part 2. Lesson is Pythagoras Theorem. In previous lecture we learned about Theorem of Pythagoras and application of Pythagoras Theorem. In today's lecture we are going to study first Pythagorean triplet, second property of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle, and third one property of 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. First one Pythagorean triplet. What is statement? That is, in a triplet of natural numbers, if the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two numbers, then the triplet is called Pythagorean triplet. By taking one example, in the triplet 24, 70, 74. Here largest number is 74, therefore square of that number, that is 74 square equal to 5476. This is first. Then take sum of squares of the other two numbers, that means 24 square plus 70 square equal to 576 plus 4900, that is equal to 5476. This is second. From 1 and 2, 74 square equal to 24 square plus 70 square. Here the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two numbers. Therefore 24, 70, 74 is a Pythagorean triplet. Remember that numbers in Pythagorean triplet can be written in any order. Then next point is property of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. Statement: in acute angles of right angle triangle are 30 degree and 60 degree, then the side opposite 30 degree angle is half of the hypotenuse and the side opposite to 60 degree angle is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. Then from statement we will draw the figure. See figure. In triangle XYZ, angle X equal to 30 degree, angle Y equal to 90 degree and angle Z equal to 60 degree. Then side opposite 30 degree angle is YZ. YZ equal to 1 half into hypotenuse is XZ. And side opposite to 60 degree angle is XY equal to root 3 upon 2 into XZ. Here XZ is hypotenuse. Then next point is property of 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. Then statement: in acute angles of a right angle triangle are 45 degree and 45 degree, then each of the perpendicular sides is 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. From given statement we will draw the figure. See figure. In triangle PQR, angle P equal to 45 degree, angle Q equal to 90 degree and angle R equal to 45 degree. Here the perpendicular sides are PQ and QR. That means PQ equal to 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse is PR. Then second perpendicular side QR equal to 1 upon root 2 into PR, that means PQ equal to QR equal to 1 upon root 2 into PR. Then taking one example, see figure and find RP and PS using the information given in triangle PSR. Then solution: in triangle PSR, angle PSR equal to 90 degree, angle SPR equal to 30 degree, that are given points. Therefore angle R equal to 60 degree, that is remaining angle of triangle. Therefore, triangle PSR is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. Therefore, by 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem, side opposite to 30 degree is half the hypotenuse. Here side opposite to 30 degree is SR and hypotenuse is RP. That means SR equal to 1/2 into RP. Putting the values, 6 equal to 1/2 into RP by multiplying 2. Therefore, RP equal to 12. Similarly, side opposite to 60 degree is √3/2 times the hypotenuse. Here side opposite to 60 degree is PS. Therefore, PS equal to √3/2 into RP. Then putting the values, PS equal to √3/2 into 12. Here dividing by 2. Therefore, PS equal to 6 √3.
Thank you.